Yes, students, if you give me the feedback about the semester 3, then that will be better. About the syllabus which was allotted to me, have you studied that syllabus? Majority syllabus was covered through the videos. And video may be monotonous teaching, no? To in order to have the teacher's perspective, teacher's angle, or the description, I was conducting interactive sessions. Means such live sessions were there. The way with which we proceeded yesterday means last time, means last semester. What's your view? What's your opinion? Is it okay? Or you want any change in that? It's a pandemic situation, and the conclusion is that we are not able to continue offline lectures, so online is the only alternative. Within online, the way out we found and the recorded lectures were there so that you could go through those lectures at your ease. And by the way, assignment was the one thing, an important thing, and majority of the student from your class has completed. It is a good thing, but still few are there yet not completing. Don't do likewise. It's my suggestion. If students are working properly, no, I trust completely the student. But if student finds that way out from this work, then I have to become a different person. I don't want to be some strictness and all. Actually, those are not needed in the education. You have to work at your own, but majority of you are working. It's a very good thing. Yes, students, please give the feedback about the semester 3. Then we'll begin to semester 4. Spontaneous feedback. Without planning, whatever you feel, you give the open feedback. Don't worry about the recording. If you are giving the some odd feedback, odd in the sense what? Negative feedback. Negative in the sense not teaching is not good. No problem. I have to accept. It is your feedback. I have to respect your feedback. For that purpose, just I am asking. Yes, one by one, please. Then I'll go to the semester 4 studies. That's the syllabus. Few videos are already given to you. And how we are going to cover the syllabus of semester 4, that also I'll inform. Yes, willingly, who will give the feedback? Ganesh, Sahil?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
गुड चांगलं होतं सर.
What is good in that?
ते हे नोट्स वगैरे काढायची ते चांगलं होतं.
Okay, means assignment completion. You are in support to the assignment completion. Okay, thank you, Sahil.
Yes,
Any
sir.
additional thing you want to inform?
नो सर नो.
Yeah, thank you.
बट सर प्रॅक्टिकल साठी जर अटेम्प्ट झाले होते चांगलं होतं.
Okay. No, see, it is whatever in my control is there, about which only I am asking. My syllabus now for your class, SYBSC, is about theory of paper 1, paper 2, unit 2 of both papers, about which only I am asking. And about such other feedbacks are there, you can give to department also, you can give, now also you can give, they will come on the record, no problem. Yes, Jelina?
Sure.
Yeah,
It was good experience.
good experience. What was good in that?
Completing assignments and
Good. It's a good thing or great thing that you are enjoying to complete the assignment. Great. Any additional thing, Jelina? Yes, Jelina, could you hear me?
yes, sir. Got to learn new things.
Okay, good. Yes, that's a learning. No, for that only you are coming in the college. This chemistry is there, and by the way, other aspects also we have to inform to you. Yes, good. Prathamesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, feedback. I'm asking feedback to everyone.
Okay, sir. Sir, first of all, when before conducting lectures, we get videos so that we can study videos and whatever we couldn't understand that gets discussed in the lecture. So it gets beneficial that if we can't understand something by first viewing or after seeing the video in first time, we can discuss in lecture. So that discussion thing is good about what we learned about lecture, assignments, questions. That one.
Yeah. Thank you, Prathamesh. Means Prathamesh is in favor of this system. Means what he wants, work done is important from your side. But in case if you come across the problem, then teacher's perspective also is needed. And I had given that last semester. I hope so. And that Prathamesh has revealed. Other students also have revealed that. Yes, Tejal, it's a good thing that you came for lecture.
Assignment, sir.
Assignment, yes, you are completing assignment, but you are somewhat irregular. But later on, if you are completed, I accept that. But don't do likewise now in semester 4. Be regular in completion of assignment, Tejal.
Okay.
Okay, good. Thank you, Tejal. Mandar,
Yes, sir.
feedback. I am asking to everyone for feedback only. It's a see, transparency in education is important. It is not the teacher oriented. I'm talking to all now. The system should not be only teacher oriented or authority oriented. Student is one of the authority. That also we have to involve, and by feedback we will come to know whether we are on the proper track or not. And I'm asking honest feedback. Don't do any kind of cheating, or I'm asking therefore only tell the good thing. No. And here I'm asking about my feedback, means my performance, my role, my teachings, my profession, about which I'm asking the feedback. Yes, Mandar.
Good experience.
Yes, what is good, particularly
Assignment and
assignment completion. Okay, okay. Thank you, Mandar. Your feedback, Aishwarya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, will you give your feedback, please?
The way of teaching, sir, and assignments complete.
Okay, that's good. You were not regularly present for lectures, but no issue. I hope that you were going through the lectures, video lectures, and you were
Yes, sir.
completing the assignments. In between, the issues were there, but later on you coped with that situation. But leave it now in semester 4. Be regular in your studies, and if any questions are there, problems are there, we teachers are here for your help. Yes, Shubham.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want feedback from you.
The experience was good, sir, for completing assignment and recorded lecture also.
Mhm. Yes, good.
Okay.
Thank you, Shubham. Joynita.
Yes, sir. So it was a good experience completing assignments. It was convenient that videos were available on.
Oh, okay, Miss, at your ease, whenever network is there, you could able to go through those videos. That
Yes,
was
sir.
my intention, man. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Joynita. Now, Jailina is there. She has given. Okay, who is not given? Fareen, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please give feedback.
Recorded lectures and online discussion session was very helpful, and asking questions during online session so that we can tell our own what we think. And recorded lectures was very helpful, and note taking was helpful. Yes, this.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Fareen. Miss, it's our system actually, students-oriented system. Students inclined system, and its system should be likewise. It was my view, and I practiced that, and for that I was interested to know your feedbacks. Yes, everybody is in support to the system. Thank you very much. Let us keep it, because whatever this system is there for whom? For you only, and it's a very great and good thing you did. You have given feedback. Ganesh, you are left now. Ganesh, could you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please give feedback.
Assignment completion is very good. More students complete assignment regularly.
Yeah, it is good thing. Good thing. Means I have to appreciate you all. I have to appreciate, and those who are not completing now, don't do such things in semester 4. Be regular. It will certainly help you. Here you are not only to study the chemistry. Here you are learning many things. You are coming here to learn many things. Soft skills also do remain. Those also the training you get. When you remain present for lecture and somebody asks a question, that question remains with you, but you could not explore that question, but you were in need of the answer for that question. So you learn how to speak and how not to. Speaking is one of the soft skill, or asking question, generating question is also the skill, and it is the essence of the education. And nowadays a system is changing. Flip education system is coming, where you have to get the information, because many videos are there, literature is available, online available. You can go through those reaction mechanisms or the periodic table, properties of those elements. And in lecture, means now how we are conducting lecture, there we have to practice whatever we have learned, maybe through group discussion, maybe through seminars. Means now seminar we can't conduct, but here also possible. I can give the platform open for you to conduct the seminar. So such changes I want to bring in semester 4. Means whatever the learning you are doing, for example, in coordination chemistry, the different terms you have studied. Actually, coordination chemistry you have studied in the 12th standard also, but now I put those points in proper way that concept will be the clear to you. Whether it is clear or not, from science point of view, checking is important. And how can we check that? By asking questions. So I can ask questions, or allowing you to discuss. Only asking questions is one of the angle of your personality, and listening. Here you have to express. And if I give any problem here, all you have to solve. So solving the problem in a group, solving the problem live will prove whether you understood the things or not. And if you could not solve, don't worry about that. It's my responsibility to make the concept clear. But whether it is properly clear or not, that you have to reveal, you have to reply. So your responses also are important. So students, what I want to say, compared to semester 3 study, I want to do one additional change in our teaching and learning process. If our offline lecture starts, then also we can continue that system, and online also we can have that system. New additional thing, what is that system? Questions you were asking, yes, I agree. I also was asking sometime questions, but we can keep the platform open for you to express further about particular thing. Much more query based education will be there. Means I will put here one complex and I will ask which ligands are present, how many are present. Means what you just studied in that video, it is clear to you. Maybe you are understanding that. Now then solve the problem. That will show practicability, applicability of the learning. That's an advanced level of learning. Memorization, understanding is a one level of learning. Generally, it is a low level of learning. But when you apply, when you grow your concept further, when you show the creativity within that concept and the academic understanding, that's a high level learning. So if time permits, go through the one Bloom's triangle of learning. You will get the idea what I want to say. Higher version of learning, and that's enjoyable, truly enjoyable. To make this concept clear, I give you the one example. Many amongst you might be the player. May take one game, say cricket or say carom. What do you think? Which is more thrilling and which is more enjoyable? Being a spectator, means being in audience, or being a player? Player also can remain as audience. It's agree, because when somebody plays, when opponent also works, at that time you should be audience. You should be spectator. You should learn. Audience learns, I agree. But by the way, what about player? What is good? Playing a game in addition to the observing, or only observing? What is good?
Playing.
Yes, one reply.
Playing the game.
3, 4,
Playing.
5 replies. Good.
Playing.
Yes, good. Tejal, Aishwarya, Shubham.
Playing the game.
Yes.
Playing the game.
Yes. Actually,
Playing the game.
good.
Playing the game.
Playing the game where you have to work more. If you are playing kabaddi or kho-kho or badminton or any game, if you do know, their work is necessary. So work is not the issue for our mind or in general consciousness of our brain or understanding of our brain. Problem is our approach. Actually, it's a high level learning. Player is a high level learner compared to spectator. Spectator also is a learner. Spectator only sees at the time of, at the end of entertainment. Player works. Entertainment is there. By the way, actions are there. Intelligence is involved there. That's a high level learning. And when you go to high level learning, that's a more enjoyable. And that you said, what is best, where you should go. Player does the action role. Player does the elevated role, higher level role. So life is with such kind of many challenges, many issues. There you should be in action and mentality, not only in mentality, action. Work should be there. Here learning you are doing, no? Chemistry you are learning. So understood, concept understood, video saw or assignment completed is a one kind of learning. But when you will express what you have learned, or when you will solve a problem based on the you have learned, your learning will certainly improve. And that's a more enjoyable. At the beginning, you will find it's a punishable, but it is a truly enjoyable, true joy, true learning is what, about which I am discussing. Students, are you in tune with me? Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So with your consent, I want to do modification for this semester for teaching and learning. That modification is video lectures wherever are there will be given to you, or online lectures will be given, and those recorded videos you will get, and you have to complete assignment as our regular. In addition to that, follow-up sessions will be there. In addition to that, your work will be assessed or evaluated not only by assignment completion here in live lectures, or I may give the quiz in the video. You have to complete that quiz. Means through email, I'll collect that data also. You have to complete the quiz. How many of you have completed quiz? In addition to assignments, those things. Live quiz also we can run here. Means I will give the quiz to you and you have to complete that quiz. Answers I will what receive. Means here during live lecture we can conduct. Google Forms also, Google quiz also we can conduct. So various ways are there. Quiz I can conduct. I can ask you to have a group discussion, maybe here or later on also. I can ask you to express your views about that concept. I can ask anyone, give me the answer for this problem or this question, and openly you have to describe that. You know, you do not know. So up to where you have covered your learnings, that I will understand. I hope I am clear to you about the new upgradation that I am doing in our teaching and learning. Students, now I want your feedback. Shall I add that or not? What are the majorities there that I will do? If you say no, okay, then with this only we'll proceed. But everyone has to vote now.
Yes, sir. Add it.
Add.
Yes,
Yes,
1,
sir. Add 3.
2, 3,
Add, sir.
4, 5,
Yes, sir.
6,
Add, sir.
7, 8,
Yes, sir.
9, 10. Yeah, out of 13, I got 10 replies. Others maybe replies were there, but in between my attention.
Yes, sir. Add.
Yes, okay. Tejas, now I got your reply. Good. Very good. Thank you very much. So that change we will do. And with this, we will, and you also will enjoy, I'm sure. But if you studied, no, then you will enjoy. And even if not studied, then study. Because you are here for what purpose? Study purpose. No? Then one may think chemistry, not top of my interest. I don't want to take chemistry at TY level. So why to study now? No, you take at TY level or not, it is immaterial. Chemistry is one of the tool by which you are learning to learn. For that you have to come and you have to complete that, and it is believe me, it is an enjoyable task, and you also will feel you are at different level. You reached to the one different level. Your confidence will improve, and what you want in life, self-esteem also is needed. No? So these are the ways, these are the opportunities or the avenues for you to prove yourself. Okay, students. Now shortly I described our syllabus, and then in detail we can have the discussion. Yes. See, in paper 1 we're discussing transition metals. Had I discussed the syllabus before? Yes, students, last time I had discussed the syllabus. I think no, it is before that I had given only video lectures. Please reply. Yes or no. From my view, I had not discussed. What do you think? I'm not discussing in detail. Shortly only I'm paying attention towards the syllabus. Yes, are you replying or not?
No, sir.
No, not discussed. Okay. See here, transition elements. So S block element, generally what we say, no, it's not a fair, but group 1 and group 2, group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, which in general, that's the main group elements at FY level, they were included. And at SY level, these transition series elements are included. Means generally we say the D block elements, no? So transition series elements, right, from the electronic configuration to their various properties, those we are discussing. Then a point, that's a coordination chemistry, important chemistry for those transition series element that we are discussing. And regarding that, already few videos are given to you. So which videos are possible, I'll prepare and I'll give it to you. Otherwise, we will complete this syllabus by online live lectures. Previous point also, we are covering by means of the live lectures. It's getting coordination chemistry, and coordination chemistry is such an important chemistry in inorganic chemistry that in competitive examination more questions remains in the coordination chemistry and base of coordination chemistry at SYBSc students. So pay proper attention towards coordination chemistry. So in future for higher level studies or competitive examination, may you give JAM examination or may NET or SET or GATE examination or GS examination, you will score good if you study the coordination chemistry. Certainly questions will be there. There is no alternative because 85% of research in inorganic chemistry is completed in coordination chemistry. Nowadays, material science is grooming or developing. Okay, it is about the paper 1. And from paper 2, we are talking about the ions in aqueous medium. Means acids and base. That concept at FIBSc was there. But when ion we put in the water or aqueous medium, that those can be also acidic or basic, cations or anions. Why are they acidic and basics? That complete study about the ions in aqueous medium that we are going to do. And later on, environmental aspects are there. Clarity is not there in that syllabus, but I was there in the syllabus committee or then framing the syllabus. Their wordings mistake took place from our sides. Different teachers get different responsibilities, no? And because of that, but what we want to say here, the few acids are there: sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and phosphoric acid, their properties. Sulfuric acid, nitric acid, you might be knowing. Then phosphoric acid, then you will say we have not seen. But I give you the example, you will say yes, you have not saw the phosphoric acid, you have tested phosphoric acid. Yes, anybody has tested phosphoric acid? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Have you tested phosphoric acid? Yes. No, I could not hear who had answered and what is answer.
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where, Prathamesh?
Soft drinks.
Right. Soft drinks where some different tingy kind of flavor you find, it is because of phosphoric acid. Carbonated drinks are there. Carbon dioxide means carbonic acid is there. But because of phosphoric acid, you get one kind of the taste. Other ingredients also do remain there. It is there. So among these acids, phosphoric acid is the only acid which is edible, that you can say, or eatable. And whatever the acids are there, the environment concerns, environmental aspects about these acids is what included in your syllabus. So study of transition element, coordination chemistry is one part in paper 1, and paper 2, aqueous medium, ions in aqueous medium, and environmental studies are there. Yes. Is the general idea of syllabus clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I stop the sharing of the screen
Yes, sir.
now. Now I come to the meeting. So students, time is less, therefore fastly I completed the syllabus. Main point was feedback, so that I'll also come to know the strategy, and the change in strategy I wanted to inform to you, and you have also accepted. It's a democracy, therefore I first took the permission, and that will follow. So here attendance also is important. Okay, for attendance, the previous forms are there, those you can fill, but first I'll consider your attendance by completion of assignment. Secondly, by that form, previous form, that only we can continue for semester 4. So students, shall we stop now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, students, I stop the
Yes, sir.
recording
Yes.
and I declare here today's session is over. Quit now.